on the French toast that we have going on in the back, because we don't want them to burn, right? Alright, so we're gonna just take a little bit of everything. A little bit of blueberries. I might do all the strawberries, to be honest. Yeah. And then the blackberries, yeah? Alright. Let's check on these. Let's just check before, you know, we don't want them to be burnt. So let's check. Okay, nice and golden. Other one, let's turn this way. Again, nice and golden. And then this, let's flip it. And there we have it. Lovely. Lovely. Let's spray a little light butter as well on it so that the other side will get some and then let's toss it around. Ooh. So it soaks up everything. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that's done. We leave that to it. Let's go wash our fruits for when we, you know, finish up. So we have strawberry, blueberry, and blackberries in here. The light is bright over here, right? Yeah. So we have these. We're gonna wash them. And if you guys remember from my birthday list, this was on it. Because I know I do stuff like this often, and what I like about this is that you can just extend it how far you want. If I was doing it across, I'd just put it like that. If I'm doing it a long way, put it like that for more space. And it just makes it easier for me when I'm doing the fruits. Yeah. So have this. And I always just wash my fruits with soap, to be honest. Yeah. Let me take out. Yeah. Okay. Washing them. Hi Jad, welcome to the chat. Press the hearts, do like. Yeah, so we're making French toast. Let me check on them actually. They talk about French toast before we burn them up. Let's see. Let's go check again. Find a little French toast there.